guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to be doing an NESPRESSO VERTUO Plus unboxing, and I'm also gonna like give you a quick haul of the pods that I have and show you some goodies to go with the new machine. So yes, let's just get into it. This was a birthday gift. My birthday was yesterday, October 19th. So my family got me this machine. I'm so excited. I go way more into detail on my birthday vlog that should be up before this one. That's why I'm literally like in the same, I look the same, because after I was finished filming that video, I just wanted to like just do this unboxing because I know I'm not gonna like feel like doing it tomorrow, and I also want to use it tomorrow morning. So let's just unbox it tonight. So yeah, let's start off with taking it out of the packaging. Oh, before I do that, I just wanted to show you guys this also. This is just something I picked up before my birthday. Like, I had the machine, but I didn't open it before my birthday. I made a promise to be a good girl and not open it before my birthday. It was so tempting. Before my birthday, I knew I had the machine, so I just wanted to pick up these pods. These are from Target. You can get them from, I think, a lot of different grocery stores, but I got these from Target. They have to be the Vertuo, like compatible with the Vertuo machine. So these are Starbucks. I saw mixed reviews, and I don't really know. The intensity is a 4 to 6, which is kind of light for me, but I don't know. I just wanted to try it out. These are espresso shots, so just wanted to show you guys that quickly. Right off the box, I have these, looks like they're 2 manuals. This is safety first, so I'm pretty sure it just goes into like how to safely use the machine. This is another manual it comes with. Like, for example, shows you how to clean it and all of that good stuff. There's more safety stuff in here, so I like how that opened. It just like kind of opened up like that. And then this goes up, and here's the machine. I wanted the color, I think it's titanium. It's like a dark, on the box it will kind of give you a sneak peek of the color. So it's like a dark gray. I wanted it to match my appliances. Also, my Keurig machine is gray, so oh guys, I'm so excited. So let me just get this out of the box, and then we'll go to the next steps. Ooh, it's quite heavy. Oh, and then in the back of the box, oh my gosh, it comes with the milk frother. Comes with this little pamphlet, and apparently there's a $10 off coupon, so that's really nice. And then lastly in the box, we have the samples of the different pods. Pretty sure, oh, 11. So there's 11 pods in here. So all together, guys, I feel like I'm starting off pretty strong here. So I have these 11, I have all of these pods. 10 come in each of them, and I have 5, so that's 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 50. 2 other samples are in here, and then like I showed you guys earlier, I got these, and 10 come in here, so I'm like pretty set for a while. I won't need to be purchasing coffee for a hot minute, so that is great. The box is empty now, so I'm just gonna move this. It was packaged really nicely. Just gonna move this to my other garbage area. Oh my goodness. Okay, well first it's time to say goodbye to the Keurig. I'm not gonna get rid of it just in case. Like, I think it's always nice to have backups. So I'm just gonna put her to the side for now. She's just going into a very long hibernation. So I'm just gonna put her right here. Oh my goodness. I can't even lift this with one hand. I have to do it with two hands because it's so much heavier. Wow, guys, I probably won't be needing this anymore, honestly. I mean, I'm still gonna keep it, but now that I have the Aerochino frother, I probably won't need this. So, but I'll still hold on to it. Oh my gosh, I just feel like it's literally perfect. Okay, this is where I'm gonna need instructions because I don't really know where to go from here. It has this little compartment in the back that you can just take off, and every time you use an espresso pod, the machine automatically like dumps it in here, from what I've seen on other people's reviews. So this has 4 different like sections where you can place your cup holder, but for now I'm just gonna place mine on this bottom section here. I don't think I did that right. It's nice and sturdy. Oh, why is it coming out? It's coming out all funky. Whoa. Why does it look like that? It looks so weird. It's not a straight stream. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm noticing it's really, really hot. I've seen some videos. I've been like researching a lot of Nespresso machines, so it might have been the Nespresso Vertuo Next machine that people were saying this about. But I was hearing that like it wasn't hot, like your coffee wasn't hot. Guys, look at the steam. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a lot of steam coming out of it. There's a lot of steam coming out of the cup, and I just like touched the cup and it was really hot, so that's a good thing. I know people like their coffee hot and had concerns about that, so this machine is hot. This is the Nespresso holder that I got, like the organizer. My brother got this for me for my birthday. It has this really pretty glass top, and the drawer comes out. Let me get some scissors. I'm gonna mess this up. Ooh, and this goes out really nice. This goes out really smoothly. I'll try to link this down below for you guys. I know there's a lot of different versions, and some were getting bad reviews saying like wasn't a smooth drawer system, but I'm initially very impressed. It did come with some scuff marks. It was wrapped nicely. I don't know if I did that, like when taking it out of the packaging, how you guys saw it was like upside down, but there's like little scuffs. But I'm not really complaining because the machine is going to be on top of this anyway, so it's not like it's going to be seen. I'm so excited. Oh wow, the pods feel like this. These are such nice quality pods. Wow, right off the bat, they don't feel like cheap or, oh my gosh. I'm like, yeah, these are like really good quality pods. This one is pumpkin pie spice. No, it's not. It's pumpkin spice cake. Oh, cute, 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 cute. Ooh, pretty. I'm like so set for a while. Pretty. Really love it, and it's really perfect because I was worried about this cord showing, but the water, this does swivel, so you can push it. Like, I am able to push it onto the other side if I wanted to, but I like how looking straight on it covers the cord. Not so much on that side, but I'm just gonna have to like play around and work with it. This I love so much. It's so stable and sturdy. This is my setup. Pretty easy, guys. I honestly would not recommend going by that little booklet I showed you because it was just a little bit too confusing for me. I would recommend watching this video. I'll link it down below. This is how I kind of understood more what was going on. This is from the actual NESPRESSO channel, and it's just like a first use guide. So that's what I used instead of that booklet because it was just way too confusing. I'm just going to show you guys quickly some of the syrups that I have and things like that for coffee. I have this hazelnut Starbucks syrup, salted caramel by Tarani, French vanilla by Tarani, sugar free. Coconut I just got and didn't really taste too much of it yet, so I'm kind of excited on like recipes and figuring out what I can use coconut for. I have toffee nut, which is pretty good. I still need to kind of, these two are new, so I still need to like taste that one more. I feel like maybe I didn't put enough in the last coffee I made. I really want butter pecan next, and the sugar-free ones I feel like have a little bit of a weird, like a different type of taste to them. I guess because they're sugar-free, they just don't taste as good as the regular ones. Like this is regular and then this is sugar-free. So they're like good, but definitely not like the best syrup. So I want to like try more brands. I have this Tarani white chocolate sauce, which I'm excited to use. This is new as well. And then I have this sea salt caramel by this brand. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to unbox the Arachino 3. This is the milk frother it comes with. In all its glory, it's really nice. This is just how it looks inside. It has, where's that? Max. I'm not really sure. I guess that's just like the maximum amount of milk you can add to it. I know you can do hot and cold foam like milk froth with this, so that is also why I like wanted the Arachino to come with the coffee maker, so I don't have to always use the handheld milk frother. So lastly, I'm going to be, of course, testing out the new Nespresso machine. So I think I'm going to try something I've never tried before. I'm going to try to make a coconut latte. I have my little glass latte cup and my glass plate. Okay, and then for milk, I'm going to be using this silk oat milk. I will be using oat milk in the Arachino frother. I'm going to fill it up to this first line because the cup that I have is so small. The espresso of choice I'm going to go with is the Peru. Okay, I'm gonna put my pod in here and just tap the top. Oh my gosh. First step, Simone. Put your glass. That is gorgeous. I don't know if it's because this is oat milk or what, but the milk is definitely hot. I don't know if you guys can see the steam. And it won't let me do it again because it's already hot, but it's not foamy. It's just hot. So maybe I was supposed to bring it to this the max line to get it to foam. I don't know. But the crema on this is beautiful. And it's just really late. I shouldn't even be having this. So I'm just gonna play around with this a little bit more. But for now I'm going to add the oat milk to my espresso. Okay guys, so it's a few hours later. Took out my extensions. It's 11:30 at night and I just want to like give you guys a taste test. Wow, that is amazing. Wow, I love the quality. The quality of this coffee is 10 out of 10. The only thing I don't like, I think, is the coconut. It doesn't even really taste like coconut. It's just giving it like a weird aftertaste. But as far as the quality of the actual coffee, oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm so happy with my new Nespresso machine. Guys, this will make you not have to go to Starbucks. Like seriously, this is how good this is. It's so good. I would honestly just change the flavor that I put in it, but it has nothing to do with the machine. So I'm giving the Nespresso machine a 10 out of 10. Well, I don't want to give it that high of a rating yet. I'll at least like use it for a week and then at some point, like a week straight, and then at some point let you guys know how it is. But today I give it a 10 out of 10, but not officially. But yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'm honestly going to be getting used to the machine as well, but I'm definitely going to, this will be featured in so many of my videos. Like, you guys will be seeing this Nespresso Vertuo machine all the time. So definitely be sure to thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!